First up, we have the flywheel. This component plays a key role in connecting the engine to the transmission. The flywheel is made with high-quality steel for increased durability and smoother engagement. Next, we have the release bearing. This little part might not get much attention, but it's critical for ensuring smooth operation of the clutch system. The release bearing is designed for performance applications. NTN bearings are designed to improve the overall feel of your clutch. Moving on, here's the clutch disc. This is the part that really does the heavy lifting when it comes to transferring power from your engine to the transmission. The clutch disc is made with premium materials designed to handle high torque and provide smooth engagement under stress. It utilizes larger springs to offset any clutch chatter. Now, here's the alignment tool. Next, we have the pilot bearing. This small component is crucial for supporting the input shaft of the transmission. Now, let's take a look at the pressure plate. The pressure plate is what applies force to the clutch disc, ensuring it engages and disengages properly. The FJC 529 pressure plate is built for ideal clamping force. This means better torquey handling and a more responsive clutch feel, perfect for both everyday driving and spirited driving. And that's everything in the box. The EXEDY KSB03 Clutch Kit is packed with high-quality components that are designed to handle the demands of turbocharged engines. Whether you're upgrading your WRX, Forester XT, or Saab 92X, this kit will give you the performance boost you need. Thanks for watching.